Today, we're going to cover a lesser known but super helpful feature within Teams chat, which is the ability to schedule a message to be sent at a later date and time. Writing in your message into the Teams chat, whatever it is that you want to send. Again, this is very helpful if you've got, if you're working different schedules and different hours than other people, or you know that the individual that you're messaging can't get that message at that time. And rather than running the risk of them not getting the message because of a number of other messages that may have come through while they're busy, or just being respectful of other people's downtime and quiet time, I can choose to send this message at a different time. Once I've written my message, I can right click on the send icon, and that will allow me to choose a date within the next week that I can schedule it for. I can't schedule it for further than a week out, but I can choose to schedule this on a specific day, and then I can choose the time of day that I want to send it. It's going to default here to 8 a.m. for me, but instead I want to send it next Friday at 9 a.m. Once I've chosen the date and time that I want to send that message, I can click send at scheduled time. A prompt will show up above that message saying select send to deliver on the date and time that you've chosen. And once you click send, that message gets sent. You'll see the fact that it does look different than a normal message that's posted into chat. And it says on there that it's sending on Friday, January 13th at 9 a.m. I can continue other conversations with this individual. And then at the chosen date and time, that message will be posted to them and delivered to them as scheduled.